Hey Space Cadets, Lanchen here. Welcome to my official art studio bedroom tour. I'm so excited to show you what I'm working with here. So let's get started with the main section where I do all of my artwork in the corner of this room. So the first thing that I have is my easel. This is a double easel by Meeden, and I'm obsessed with this easel. It's so convenient. It folds up, and I actually store my canvases behind it as well. It fits like a 22 by 22 behind there, so yeah, it helps with keeping things decluttered in my bedroom space. I also have this linen cloth underneath that I lay out when I'm working with oils. I have a mirror next to it just to kind of make the room a little brighter, and a fake plant from IKEA that I have covering a power strip. And I also have the mirror covering the outlet as well that the power strip is attached to. It doesn't cover it perfectly, but it definitely helps a little bit. And next to the mirror, I have this other IKEA organizer, which I'm going to get rid of, but for now, it holds all of my paints, my glow powders, and some of the brushes that I tend to use most. And sitting on top of this organizer is this oil kit that I got as a present, and it just has a bunch of different oils in it. I don't use all of them. I have my main oils in there that I do use by Gamblin, and it also has some brush storage. Above that, I have two shelves that hold my paintings. The top shelf mostly has paintings that are needing a second layer and oils, and also paintings I can grab to paint over, and some that I have there just for inspiration that I really love to have out. And the bottom row has a few pieces that are just painted black, ready to be painted. I also have these little containers from IKEA that hold some knickknacks such as jewelry, and it's just cute storage. And I wanted to show this little shuttle because it's actually a pencil sharpener, but it's my decor as well. And then to the left of that is my table. And this table is just a fold-up table. It was given to me by my dad, and I prefer it because it can get messy and it's not going to get ruined because it's not super nice. And this is where I film all my videos and where I paint. And I have little baskets here that hold the stuff that I use most. And I have my paintbrushes put inside of a cute little mason jar, and it's heavy enough so it doesn't fall over. And I also have this light here from Walmart that was $5. I moved that around a lot, along with these cute plants in the window. This table I think is 6 feet long, so I'm able to work on my computer here, leave paintings out if I want to. I also keep all of my electronics a little organized in this section. I have memory cards, 2 iPads, 2 phones, all for different types of recording, and it's just, yeah. I also have another power strip where all of my stuff plugs into right here, and I have all my power strips for the most part velcroed to the wall. It's just much easier, and they are hidden underneath the table. The reason I have so many is because there's only 2 outlets in my entire room. So this leads to another power strip, which is very messy. I tried to organize it a little with this velcro, but this is the best power strip I have. It has so many different outlets attached. And I have these cable organizers that I got from Target that are amazing. They were $3. I recommend getting them, and they attach to my table. Underneath my table is where I keep my printer. I keep it hidden because I don't use it that often. And yeah, it just plugs into that outlet that's right in the corner. Now moving on to the other wall, I have my astronaut painting hanging on the wall, and it's not done, along with a shelf underneath it that holds lots of different things. So the left side holds my planners and notepads. This little basket holds notepads and books I read most often. And the next basket holds some filming stuff. So I have all of my microphones set in here and a camera stand. And I also like to keep it hidden a little because it's clear with this cute little tropical bag that holds all of my cables for most of my filming stuff. And next to that, I have my camera bag along with some phone accessories for some camera stands. And next to that basket, I have my projector, which I project onto my wall for like ambiance and stuff like that. And attached to this shelf, I have another cell phone holder. I have a lot of these. And on the next wall, I have my space posters. My space posters and space art are above my bed, and my pillows are from eBay and IKEA. And I also have a little fuzzy rug on the ground, which I love. And I have these giant mirrors that I removed from my furniture that was in here before I got rid of my bed and the furniture to put in a futon and create more space. And in front of that mirror, I have a hanging plant. I don't know what it's called. Yeah. And attached to the mirror behind it is my favorite part of this whole room. I have LED strips. Because I have a futon, I didn't want any cables on the ground or a table there. So I put my lights behind the mirror. It's pretty great. I love it. I think it's so pretty, especially at night. It looks amazing. Very futuristic too. And on the other side of the room is where I keep my drawers with all of my clothes. And I still have some stuff sitting on top of there, such as my easel with canvases I'm working on. I have a little trinket dish by Rivka with my jewelry I wear most. I also have my Jupiter Move-A-Globe and my perfume. And I have 2 more baskets that aren't organized at all. These are just random things. Also, these baskets are from Marshall's. I got these plastic see-through ones from Marshall's for like $12 for 6. So yeah. And then I have a hook here from Hobby Lobby for towels or anything. And an eclipse print by Astro Falls. And then I also forgot to mention my chair. I have this tree skirt laying on it because it's fuzzy. But I got the chair for free from a friend. So if you're wondering if all my art supplies are just in this little organizer, no, I actually have a huge filing cabinet in the other room with more art supplies, but I plan on downsizing that and making it more organized to fit in my room if possible. But the coolest part about my bedroom is the fact that my bed's actually a futon, and this creates so much space, and it really helps with having an art studio / bedroom and just making it workable. So that is my art studio / bedroom tour. I hope you guys liked it and it gave you guys some ideas. And yeah, let me know your favorite part, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Hello, your call cannot be taken at the moment.